Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. So you guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys the way that I do my wigs when it comes to me coloring, bleaching my knots, plucking my wig, and styling, like curling, flat ironing in general. Okay, so a couple of months ago, you guys, I've invested into a Mannequin wig holder, which is this right here, you guys. A Mannequin head holder, should I say? That's what it's called. So I invested into this. It wasn't much, but I did go out and buy one because I needed this so I can be able to do my wigs the way I wanted to do my wigs. So with that being said, you guys, this thing does not work. I don't know why, but every time I put it on a surface, it always tends to slip off while I'm doing my hair, like curling. Like curling was the biggest thing for me. Like when curling my wigs, I could not get this thing to stay at all, y'all. So with that being said, you guys already know that I record videos, so I invested into a tripod stand. So one day I was just looking at my tripod. I'm just like, God, I really need me a wig, you know, a wig holder, like to hold my foam head. So obviously I was like, okay, I can just buy one. But then obviously we're in pandemic and I didn't really want to order nothing offline. Okay, so with that being said, I was looking at my tripod, like I said, and I'm like, okay, what can I do to, you know, utilize this, you know? So you guys, what I did was I kept looking at this part right here. I'm like, this kind of looks like this, maybe just a little bit more wider, but it looks like this, a little simpler. So with that being said, you guys, I took my mannequin head right here, as you guys can see, and I put it right through this hole, right, just like this. Pushed it in, make sure it's nice and tight, and I stood it up. Let me show you guys what it looks like once I stand it up. So you guys, this is what it looks like once you stand it up. Look just like a mannequin stand. You're just using your tripod. And when I tell you guys, this is so freaking good. This way is so freaking good, and it's so sturdy. That's the main thing. You want it to be sturdy when you're, you know, flat ironing your hair, curling your. So yeah, like I was saying, you want it to be sturdy enough so when you're applying pressure to the mannequin head, that it does not move, does not shift or anything like that. So with that being said, you guys, I just wanted to come and show you guys, if you have a tripod, that is something that you can be using. If you do not have a mannequin wig gripper stand, or if you just don't have one of those in general and you do have a tripod in your house, you have a wig mannequin stand. Okay, so with that being said, I hope this video helps somebody out there. If it did, you guys, please give me a big like. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this video. Let me know other videos that you guys would like to see. And make sure you guys tap that post notification bell so you guys will be notified of every upload that I do. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.